Good morning, friends. Right now, I'm going to talk about why you should go for Zerodha as a broker. I'm going to just brief about a few details. First thing that you should understand is we are one of the few brokers who are very transparent in their dealings with the clients. What I mean is, whatever the brokerage or whatever the charges are there is put upfront in the website. Okay, that's one thing. And one more is zero brokerage, and one more is how much leverage they provide and special features along with that. And I also want to tell you about the upcoming products of Zerodha, what they may come up with very soon. And one more is AMC, that is the annual maintenance charge for the demat account, which is charged only end of the year. And one more thing is that there is a small product, there is a very good product called as a small case, which you may have heard of. Okay, and coin. So about small case and coin, I'll come up with a different video. For now, I'll explain about the transparency part. If you just go to zerodha.com website, and then just go to the brokerage calculator here. Try the brokerage calculator, open in different tab. You would know that how much ever the brokerage and charges that Zerodha charges to the client is made very clear using this particular calculator. How to use this is, you have to just put the buy price, sell price, and the quantity of stocks you're buying or selling. For example, if you're buying at thousand quantity, so you're buying at 1,000 rupees and selling at 1,100, and the quantity is say 200. Okay, in intraday trade, then the turnover will be around 4.2 lakhs, and the total charges and taxes will come up to only 117 rupees. Okay, if I repeat a similar trade in equity delivery, then it will come to around the total taxes will be coming to 436, and in intraday it will be 117.33. One of my friends asked me a very good question, that even though equity delivery brokerage is zero as mentioned here, then why the profit is lesser or the charges are more in equity delivery? The reason for this is STT. STT for intraday is 55 rupees, and STT for delivery trade is 420 rupees. Remember, STT is not something the broker charges to you, it is charged by the government. So how do you understand the charges? So what you can do is, there is a charge list of Zerodha. You can just go to google.com and type Zerodha charge list or charges. If you click on this, you will know what I'm talking about. So the STT part for equity delivery is 0.1% on buy and sell side, whereas for intraday it is only 0.025%. So you can just see the difference of that reflecting in the brokerage calculator. Okay, this makes clear about the first point, which is the transparency. Probably Zerodha is the first broker in India who has actually put up in the website saying this is the brokerage and all the charges that the client needs to pay if he opens an account with Zerodha. Okay, so that's about the transparency. And one more is zero brokerage. That is, Zerodha charges zero brokerage for equity delivery. Okay, so this will make sense for you in a little while when I just give example with compared to other brokers. Okay, so say you are doing a turnover of say this Infosys stock is trading at 1,000 rupees, and example, and you're buying, say, quantity is also say 1,000. Okay, 1,000 is the price and 1,000 is the quantity, and let's compare by taking some other broker. Let's say Sharekhan or Geojit. Sharekhan may charge, I think, 0.3% for delivery. So In this case, the total turnover will be how much? 1000 is the Infosys price, and quantity is 1000, so the turnover is 1000 into 1000, that is 10 lakhs. This is the total turnover. On this turnover, 0.3% will be the brokerage, 0.3%. So brokerage will be 3000 for buy side. Brokerage is 3% for buy side, and for sell side, say if you're selling at 1001, you assume you're selling at the same price, 1000 itself, so sell side brokerage also will be 3000 rupees. So what I mean is, if Sharekhan charges a brokerage of 0.3%, which is the fact, in that case, buy side brokerage you have to pay is around 3000 rupees, and sell side brokerage also will be 3000 rupees. So for a trade of turnover of 10 lakhs buy side and 10 lakhs sell side, you need to pay 3000 rupees upfront brokerage, 3000 rupees brokerage for buy side, 3000 rupees brokerage for sell side, with most of the brokers. Okay, with Zerodha, what brokerage you need to pay is, you can just check here, as mentioned in the charge list, it is 0 brokerage. That means in one trade of 10 lakh rupees, you are straight away making a savings of 6000 rupees. You won't believe it, but this is the fact, that if you're doing a 10 lakh worth of turnover in one trade with Sharekhan, you have to pay 3000 rupees brokerage, and sell side also you need to pay 3000 rupees brokerage. With respect to Zerodha, you have to pay 0 brokerage while buying and 0 brokerage while selling. This is for delivery trades. Okay, so this is the advantage that you have with respect to equity delivery. This is a very good opportunity for the delivery trades or investments. And leverage, third point I have jotted down is about leverage. So intraday basis, Zerodha provides, I think, approximately around 14 times leverage for equity stocks. So what you can do is go to zerodha.com and click on menu here and click on margin calculator, select equity here, and you can see the list of stocks for which leverage is provided. So it means the range, the leverage provided is varying from 3 times to 14 times as shown here. Okay, this is the leverage for intraday purpose without stop loss. But there are some other ways of placing the order with stop loss, which we call as which is called as bracket order and cover order. So in this case, say you're buying a stock like Tata Motors or something. Okay, Tata Motors I am adding price, let's say around, check the price of Tata Motors. Price is around 466, so just select the price as 466 and stop loss say 450. 16 rupees is the risk that I want to take, and I'm buying and click on calculate. So it means you are giving 21 times margin or leverage for this particular stock. So the first point about the leverage I told for equity stocks is, without stop loss you can just plainly get leverage, but between 3 times to 14 times. If you place a stop loss in the same order in which you buy or sell, that is possible with bracket order and cover order, in that case leverage will be up to 24 times. So one more feature we with respect to leverage is, just scroll below, there is a list of stocks for which we do not allow MIS. What it means is, there's a list of stocks for which we are not allowing MIS, which means that all other stocks whichever is not listed here will be given one time leverage. The advantage of this is all other stocks except these 728 stocks listed in this particular Excel file, you will get one time leverage, which is a very good thing if you want to short. If you want to short sell, you can short sell all other stocks except these stocks using MIS product or MIS product type. Okay, so this is about leverage. And one more thing is AMC. So most of the brokers do charge AMC upfront. Okay, with respect to Zerodha, not the broker, I'm talking about the AMC, annual maintenance charge, with most of the brokers will be charged upfront. With respect to Zerodha, it will be charged only end of the year, that to pro rata basis. Pro rata means, say the AMC will be actually billed end of 31st of March every month. Say you open the account on 1st of March of 2017. You had opened the account on 1st of March 2017. So how much AMC you need to pay is approximately it will be 300 by 365, because 365 days in a year, into 31. So you need to pay AMC of approximately this much plus the service tax. So you can probably say this as if there is no AMC for the first year. You can probably make that statement. Okay. And the next thing is, there are two very good products by Zerodha, which is Small Case and Coin. Okay, Small Case is a thematic based investment wherein there is an opportunity for you to invest in stocks which have been doing very well based on a theme. Okay, I'm going to explain about this in the next video. And one more product that Zerodha has is Coin. Coin is India's only, I think, is the only platform which allows you to invest in direct as well as regular mutual funds, or direct and regular schemes. And the upcoming products of Zerodha, okay, I think I've heard a news of probably they are coming up with a margin funding facility very soon. Margin funding means that you can buy stocks today for delivery and you can hold it in your account for 5 days with some additional margin provided by the broker. Okay, so these are all the facilities that Zerodha has for in general. And keep subscribing to my channel and like the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day.